If you want to make smooth, slow motion videos in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to slow down your clip while keeping the motion as clean and smooth as possible. This is perfect for edits, cinematic shots, sports clips, transitions, and any video where you want that professional slow motion look without the choppy effect. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials just like this. Now let's jump in. First, open your project in CapCut and select the video clip you want to edit in the timeline. Make sure the clip is highlighted because CapCut can only apply speed changes to the selected clip. Once the clip is selected, look up to the top right corner and click on the Speed tab. This is where you'll find all the speed controls for your video. When the speed settings open, you'll see a slider that lets you adjust the playback speed. Drag the slider to the left to decrease the speed. The further left you move it, the slower your video will play. If you want a dramatic slow motion effect, you can lower it quite a bit, but keep in mind that the slower you go, the more important the smoothing settings become. Now, here's the key part for making the motion look smooth instead of jittery. Click the Smooth Slow Motion drop-down menu and choose Optical Flow. This setting tells CapCut to generate extra motion frames between the original frames, which helps create a much smoother slow motion result. It does take longer to process, so be patient while CapCut renders the effect, but the final result is usually worth it. Optical Flow is especially useful when your original footage has fast movement, camera motion, or subjects crossing the frame quickly. Without it, slow motion can sometimes look choppy or uneven. With it enabled, the motion blends much more naturally and gives your video a cleaner, more polished finish. After selecting Optical Flow, take a moment to preview your clip. If the speed feels too slow or too fast, you can always go back and adjust the slider again until it looks right. A small change in speed can make a big difference in the final look, so don't be afraid to experiment. Once you're happy with the result, let CapCut finish processing and then move on with the rest of your edit. And that's it. You now know how to make smooth, slow motion videos in CapCut using the Speed tab, the Slow Speed slider, and Optical Flow for the smoothest effect. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like. Subscribe for more CapCut editing tips, and I'll see you in the next one.